Welcome to part 85 of Daily English. Today's situation. Social life, birthday conversations. Happy birthday. Example. Happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Example. Thank you so much for your kind wishes. How old are you now? Example. How old are you now? 25? I'm 25 years old. Example. I'm 25 years old today. Did you get any presents? Example. Did you get any presents from your friends? Yes, I got some nice gifts. Example. Yes, I got some nice gifts from my family. I hope all your wishes come true. Example. I hope all your wishes come true this year. Let's celebrate together. Example. Let's celebrate together this evening. Have a fantastic birthday. Example. Have a fantastic birthday with your family and friends. Mini conversation. Anna, happy birthday, Ben. Ben, thank you so much. Anna, did you get any presents? Ben, yes, I got some nice gifts. Let's celebrate together. Anna, of course. Have a fantastic birthday. Daily tip. Birthday conversations are a great opportunity to show kindness and appreciation. Remember to wish people a happy birthday, thank them for their wishes, and celebrate together whenever you can. Speaking challenge. Imagine today is your friend's birthday. Wish them a happy birthday, ask about their age and birthday gifts, say you hope all their wishes come true, invite them to celebrate together, and finish the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 86. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.